Hey guys, project today. I'm going to be painting this snowmobile windshield black. So I already cut it down. This is for a John Deere Trailfire. So I already cut it down about, I don't know, 5 inches or so. So what I did is I took a few measurements from each corner, went up a couple inches here, and I took some cardboard and kind of matched up the lines and took a Sharpie and cut it. And I used these cutters here. They're Malco. It says 12A. These are awesome. This has cut so much vinyl siding, and they still cut like they're brand new. So got that all cut down. I do have some plastic adhesion promoter that I'll use before I put on the gloss black paint. But first step is I want to scuff up the inside. So I will see what kind of sandpaper I have for that, and we'll get that done. Alright, so I got some 400 grit sandpaper. I'll go ahead on the inside and just scuff this up. That'll give the paint something to stick to. Okay, we've got this all scuffed up with our 400 grit. Now we'll take some isopropyl and wipe this down. All right, we'll go ahead and let that dry. All right, go ahead and put the adhesion promoter on. Stick around to the end. We'll put this on the stud and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, we'll go try putting this black on now. All right, probably let that dry for a bit and I'll put a second coat on. This first coat is still kind of tacky, so we'll go ahead and put one more coat on here. All right, so after this is dry, I got some piping, new piping that I ordered. We're gonna put this on, go around the edge. So far this is looking pretty good. All right, go ahead and let this dry. All right, so next day, let this dry overnight. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this trim on. So I think we'll end up putting a little bit of super glue on where it starts here. I'm gonna start right here, work my way up. It does stay in here pretty good without any glue. It just kind of holds in pretty nice. And I'm just going to leave it long, and I'll just cut it when I get to the other end. It's wanting to lift up here in the middle, so I'm gonna have to put some glue here too. I'll probably set it upside down to keep weight on it. Okay, yeah, let's try that. We'll put some glue here in the middle, probably set it upside down, let that dry. All right, we got the trim on. I ended up super gluing it up here in the middle and at the ends. So yeah, that's how it turned out. Looks pretty nice. I like it. And this was just the old windshield that I didn't really care if I destroyed it or not, and it actually turned out pretty nice. And I had never done something like this before, so I like it. Ended up cutting off about 4 or 5 inches off the top. That's what it looks like down here. So yeah, let me know in the comments how you've done this or what you've done. I end up using 400 grit sandpaper and then adhesion promoter and some gloss black paint, all from the inside. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.